Rain on the grass, rain on the green grass, rain on the tree, rain on the rooftop, but not on me. Good morning, children. Today in the EVS, we are going to learn about sources of water. Children, in the previous class, we had learned about uses of water, and the different uses of water are what? Yes, drinking, cleaning, cooking, bathing, washing, and even plants and animals also need water. Children, now open to your EVS book. Turn to page 37 and it says sources of water. Now, you see all of you have a tap in your house. When you turn the tap, what do you see? Yes, you see the water comes out from the tap. Now, there are many sources of water. Rainfall is the main source of water. We also take water from other water bodies such as ponds, lakes, and rivers. Children, remember the water that is collected from the water bodies is cleaned at the waterworks department and then delivered to a house through a network of pipes. So children, remember that the important source of water is rain. Children, you know that all fruits and vegetables contains water, but fruits such as watermelon and vegetables such as bottle gourd contains lot of water. Now children, turn to page 38. It says storage of water. Water can be stored in many ways. In cities, water is stored in tanks. At homes, we get water from these tanks through water taps. In villages, people store water in pots, buckets, and other utensils. Now, children, on page 39, it says need for storing water. Do you know why do we need to store water? Yes, we need to store water for later use. As water is stored for drinking, water is stored for bathing and cooking. This is the reason why we need to store tap water in our houses. Children, now let us do the written work in your EVS exercise book. On the blank page, draw, name, color any two storage of water. On the right hand side of the page, write the date on the left hand side. Topic Lesson 6 Water. Question C. Circle the odd one. Number 1, drinking, cleaning, writing, bathing. Number 2, rain, cricket, pond, river. Number 3, bag, tank, pot, bucket. So, now children, circle the odd one out and then I will discuss the answer. Hope children, you have all circled the odd one out. Now number 1, which is the odd one? Drinking, cleaning, writing, bathing. Yes, writing. Other words are all uses of water. Number 2, rain, cricket, pond, river. Yes, cricket. And the other words are related to sources of water. Number 3, bag, tank, pot, bucket. Yes, you have circled bag. And tank, pot and bucket are all storage of water. Now children, turn to the next blank page, and here you are going to do again a drawing. Draw, name, color any 2 sources of water. On the next page you will do question D, name them. Number 1, water is cleaned here. Number 2, the main source of water. Number 3, a fruit that contains a lot of water. So children, write the answer, then I will discuss it. Hope children, you all have written the answer. So number 1, water is cleaned here, and the answer is Water Works Department. Number 2, the main source of water. Yes, rainfall. Number 3, a fruit that contains a lot of water. Watermelon. So children, you need to follow few instructions for the written work. Number 1, storage of water and sources of water to be drawn on separate blank page. Number 2, both the exercises to be written on separate pages. Do the work neatly. Now children, you are going to read page 37, sources of water, and page 38, storage of water, and page 39, need for storing water. Your lesson ends here. Bye. Thank you.